Welcome to this session on how to screen a profile as an HR. In this presentation, we'll walk through a structured approach to shortlisting candidates effectively and efficiently. The first step is to clearly understand the job requirement. This includes the must-have skills, experience range, and any cultural or team fit expectations. Only with this clarity can we screen effectively. When you receive a resume, start with a high-level check. Is the resume clean and readable? Do the job titles and experience match the role? Look for red flags like frequent job changes or unexplained gaps. Use keyword matching to identify key skills from the job description in the candidate's resume. This is often done through AITS tools or manually. Prioritize technical skills, tools, and domain knowledge. Review the candidate's total and relevant experience. Someone with stability and domain exposure often makes a better fit than one who's constantly switching jobs without growth. Check if the candidate has the required educational background. Certifications, especially in technical or specialized fields, can be an added advantage. Soft skills often show up through resume language or achievements. Look for signs of leadership, problem solving, or consistent high performance. Evaluate cultural fit by looking at the candidate's background. Have they worked in similar setups? Will they adapt to the pace, structure, and culture of your company? Watch out for red flags like job hopping every few months, vague or inflated achievements, or resumes overloaded with jargon but lacking substance. Create a short summary for each shortlisted candidate. Note why they were shortlisted, which skills stood out, and any concerns to explore during the interview. Once you've screened candidates, share your notes and profiles with the hiring manager. This helps in aligning expectations and finalizing the interview list faster. Make use of tools like systems, Boolean search techniques, and platforms like LinkedIn to speed up and refine your screening process. Be careful not to overjudge based on gaps or education alone. Context matters. Also, don't overlook cover letters. They often show attitude and writing skills. Before finalizing, ask yourself, does the profile meet at least 70% of the job needs? Is the experience relevant and verified? And most importantly, do they deserve a call? Effective screening is a structured process. Stay objective, align with the role, and document your decision.